we've just planted the sign with pansies for the fall and winter seasonal color program. So pansies in our area are cold tolerant, and they will last us all the way through until temperatures get too warm in the spring. All right, so what I've got here is, I believe they call this a swale shovel. All right, but we determined that this was actually a very handy tool for laying down mulch in between the rows of 6-inch annuals, basically, because we often put them on about a foot center on center. So this ends up laying it down perfectly, and the technique allows us to kind of block from dumping it right on a plant. Okay, so deadheading is something that you do to the plant when the bloom has gone to seed. So you have this big, beautiful bloom, eventually it will be done. This is a new bloom about to open. This is a tight little bud, but when they're done, they produce this little seed pocket. That is so you want to go all the way down to the stalk. If you don't do the stalk, it's not the end of the world, but it looks much better. It looks much better. And you also kind of open up the plant in the process and get a little air and sunshine through to anything new growing below. Deer and rabbit love pansies. So what we do to repel the deer is a combination of deer scram and liquid fence. We put a perimeter around the bed itself, and then I'll extend that into like the ingress and egress areas. The liquid fence helps. The downside to using liquid fence is that you don't want to spray the blooms. It kind of will create splotches, discoloration. So ideally, you're just kind of using it on the foliage. I kind of get in there and I use a low pressure spray, and I'm sort of dribbling all over the foliage, and I do it when the sun is not high. I try to do it every 2 weeks. Maybe the first month. I'll go every other week, I'm reapplying them. And then after that, I skip every 2 weeks.